Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, if there is a heaven, I don't know who is going to get there, but I can tell you for certain who will not. Guys, I bring you this. Pastor Ashimolowo tells his members to pay their offering online amidst CV outbreak. So this is now the headline we're contending with, even in the midst of what grips the world at the moment. These people are still not going to even loosen a little bit their vice grip on their sheeple, because they call them sheeple now, their congregation, because these people are just a genetic away from being actual sheep. So again, the headline: Pastor Ashimolowo tells his members to pay their offering online amidst global situation. So now let's now see what this 419 guy is up to this time around. Pastor Matthew Ashimolowo, founder and senior pastor of Kingsway International Christian Center, KICC, has ignited an outrage after he asked his members to pay their offering online amidst the global situation. In a video which has gone viral online, the pastor, who disclosed that their offices will still be open, asked members to go online and see different ways they can send their offerings. So now this is for goodness sake, there's no let up with these people. They will squeeze the very last drop of blood out of you, these people, and they are literally squeezing the very last drop of. There's just no let up with these people. Out of everything that is going on globally, their only concern, the main concern of this guy, is for that dollar to continue to ching in his own bank account. That is really all he cares about. So all of this news that is viraling through the world and is jarring everybody's senses, and everybody is on tenterhooks, it doesn't concern this guy. His own concern, his priority, is that your offerings continue to leave your wallet and your purses and go into his own bank account. This is all this guy cares about. And there's an actual video clip of him saying this. I may or may not attach it to this video. So now let's now see what sort of response this comment is generating. So this is a Bravo male responding, a Bravo male. The Pope saying that people can confess their sins without priest is the biggest revelation of this global situation. Soon we will realize how irrelevant pastors are. So I'm not quite sure what direction of travel that one is going with that comment. I'm not up to speed with whatever it is that the Pope has said. And this is another person. Shouldn't he be seeking directive from God at this time? God is not moved by money. Maybe he doesn't realize that we all came in naked to this world and will leave naked. So this is some person that's just making a middle of the road sort of comment. Son of God is this person now that is commenting. If I follow you, will you follow me? Oh, I think this one is just on a different mission. I just take one more because I'm not quite sure what sort of comments are being placed under this particular article. So this is a Major General Abiodun Samuel. This is how this one tags himself, Major General Abiodun Samuel. What will Jesus do if he is in this situation, Brother Matthew Ashimolowo? Will he ask for offerings, or will he donate from the storehouse so as to help the downtrodden in society? So I agree, of course, in its entirety with this guy's comment, because this is a time, of course, for giving and not taking. But then, have you ever known a Nigerian pastor to give? They only give to babes, and of course they take back from babes as well. But I've never known any sort of public situation or public disaster that these people have given charitably. I've never known a Nigerian pastor to give charitably. All they want is your money. So here is a Wale Gates. We'll round it off with this guy, Wale Gates. Offerings is the cocoa. Whether your job is secure or not, offering is key. So we just leave it there, but really it's just absolutely ludicrous the way these people, they don't have any godliness in them. They have no mercy, they have no compunction, they have no humanity, they have no grace, they have no tact, they have no kindness, they have absolutely nothing but greed. In the midst of what the world is battling with, the only concern, because that guy, this Major General Abiodun Samuel, is exactly right. What will Jesus do? Jesus will be opening his ladder to say, come and take and help yourself to my grain. Share what I have, because these are dark and difficult times. This is what Jesus will do. But what will the Nigerian pastor do? The Nigerian pastor will drop a link to your mobile phone, to link to where you can continue to donate your offerings online, because that offering, whether you are on your death's door, you must donate it. This is really what these people are all about, because this is now a literal interpretation of how this thing manifests, because virtually now the world is almost at death's door, and the main concern that this guy has is tithes and offering. Conversation in the comment section, the preacher man, the wayo man. Is there a difference? Can you make that distinction, is really what I'm asking. Come share thoughts about all this with me in the comment section. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it's on screen. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me how you are able to distinguish between a Nigerian pastor and a 419 scammer in the comment section. So I'll leave you here. Carry this conversation on with you in the comment section. But here I say, peace.